News just coming in, the Income Tax Department has seized over 24 crore rupees in new currency notes from Chennai. This comes in succession with the series of income tax seizures in the past after the demonetization announcement. Let's get a word from Pramod Mahajan, who's with us live. Pramod, another 24 crores in new currency recovered from Chennai. This after more than 70 crores were recovered yesterday.
Well, this particular income tax raid is going on all over the state, in fact, and this particular 24 crore new currency notes is from Vellore, and the connection seems to be with Chennai as well. Like the day before yesterday, there was a raid on 8 different places where they have recovered close to 106 crores, which is the official number given by the income tax, and also 130 kilograms of gold. And it seems to be the raid is going on, continue to go on. From Chennai, they are moving towards the west cities and the south cities, and the next cities to be online are expected to be Tiruvallur as well.
And Pramod, I want to understand, how is it that in post demonetization, where the common man is standing in long queues and there's an extreme cash crunch, how is it that these people are being able to access such large amounts of money in new currency notes? Has the IT department been able to unravel this mystery?
Well, this is a really baffling question, not just due to everyone in, I would say for the state of Tamil Nadu, I can speak for them. For instance, on the 7th day when we were in front of RBI in Chennai, there used to come 4 containers in the morning and in the afternoon through chartered plane as well. RBI was getting new notes and everything. But even at that point, this is not a speculation, we were there, we showed you that even at that point, when a person who wanted to change a denomination of 4,500 rupees was given a 2,000 rupees note, coins for 10 rupees coins for 1,000 rupees notes, which has 2 packets which came to 2,000 rupees note, and another 5 rupee coin for 500 rupees note. I'm reminding you that this occurred around 10:30 itself. RBI started by 10 o'clock, opened by 10 o'clock, and 10:30 they started saying that there was no currency to give them. This was the condition there. We thought maybe they were sorting it out and they were trying to provide the money, and maybe 2-3 days it will become normal. But on the next day we found out, like, instead of 10 rupees coins for 1,000 rupees notes, they only replaced it with 20 rupees notes. And on the other side, it seems like on various parts of the city, now the city and the state, now the IT is like opening up more treasures where the new notes are being unearthed, and we are pretty sure that a lot of people are going to get upset and caught, and they are going to be questioned, and they have to be held responsible as well.
Pramod Mahajan, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to you for more developments.